Imagine the aroma of a freshly baked pizza, with a golden, crispy crust and perfectly melted cheese wafting through your kitchen. For pizza enthusiasts, the dream of crafting restaurant-quality pies at home is now a reality, with this Homcozy electric pizza oven indoor with glazed ceramic stone. This 12-inch portable countertop pizza maker is a game-changer for home cooks who crave authentic pizza without the hassle of a full-sized oven or outdoor setup. Solving the pizza-making struggle. Let's face it, making pizzeria-quality pizza at home is no easy feat. Standard kitchen ovens often fall short, leaving you with soggy crusts or unevenly cooked toppings. The Homcozy electric pizza oven tackles these challenges head-on. Its 800 degrees Fahrenheit high heat capability and glazed ceramic stone ensure a crispy, evenly baked crust that rivals your favorite pizza joint. Whether you're a busy parent, a college student, or a foodie looking to impress, this oven simplifies the process, delivering professional results in just 6 minutes. Say goodbye to lackluster homemade pizza and hello to a hassle-free, delicious experience. Why the Homcozy electric pizza oven stands out. The Homcozy electric pizza oven is designed with both novice and seasoned cooks in mind. Its compact size, intuitive controls, and thoughtful accessories make it a standout choice for anyone looking to master homemade pizza. Here's a deep dive into its key features and benefits. High heat performance, up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit. The oven's 1200-watt dual heating elements deliver rapid, even heating, creating that coveted crispy crust with a pillowy interior. Unlike standard ovens that max out at 500 degrees Fahrenheit, this pizza maker reaches the high temperatures needed for authentic Neapolitan or New York-style pies. Glazed ceramic stone for perfect baking. The 12-inch glazed ceramic stone absorbs heat efficiently, wicking away moisture to ensure a crisp, golden crust. Its non-stick coating makes cleanup a breeze, so you can focus on enjoying your meal rather than scrubbing. Customizable temperature and timer controls. With adjustable temperature and timer knobs, you have full control over your cooking process. Whether you prefer a quick-cooking Neapolitan or a slower-baked deep dish, the Homcozy adapts to your pizza style. Complete accessory kit. The oven comes with 2 spatulas, a pizza cutter, and a pair of heat-resistant gloves, ensuring you have everything needed to start baking right away. No need to hunt for extra tools. Large viewing window. Keep an eye on your pizza's progress without opening the lid thanks to the transparent viewing window. This feature helps maintain consistent heat while letting you watch the magic happen. Portable and compact design. Measuring just right for a countertop, this lightweight portable pizza oven is ideal for small kitchens, apartments, or even outdoor use, with a suitable outlet. It's easy to store and move, making it perfect for pizza parties anywhere. User-friendly for all skill levels. Whether you're a beginner or a pizza pro, the intuitive controls and quick preheat time, around 10 to 15 minutes, make it easy to churn out delicious pies with minimal effort. 24-hour customer support. Homcozy's commitment to customer satisfaction shines with their 24-hour friendly support, ensuring any issues are resolved quickly so you can get back to baking. Who is the Homcozy pizza oven for? This pizza oven is perfect for home cooks and foodies. If you love experimenting with recipes and want to recreate pizzeria-quality pizza, this oven's versatility and high heat make it a dream tool. Families. Its user-friendly design and quick cooking time make it ideal for fun, interactive pizza nights with kids or friends. Apartment dwellers. The compact, portable size fits small spaces, and its electric design means no need for outdoor space or propane. Busy professionals. With a fast preheat and 6-minute cook time, you can whip up gourmet pizza even on hectic evenings. Pizza enthusiasts on a budget. Priced competitively, the Homcozy offers premium features without the hefty price tag of high-end models like the Univolt or Breville Pizzaiolo. Why choose Homcozy over competitors? Compared to other indoor pizza ovens like the Univolt or Breville Pizzaiolo, the Homcozy stands out for its affordability and ease of use. While premium models may offer slightly higher temperatures, up to 850 degrees Fahrenheit, the Homcozy's 800 degrees Fahrenheit max is more than sufficient for most home pizza styles. Its all-inclusive accessory kit and non-stick ceramic stone give it an edge over budget models like the Gourmet or Chefman, which often lack consistent heat retention or require separate tool purchases. Plus, its sleek design and compact footprint make it a practical choice for small kitchens. The verdict. A must-have for pizza lovers. The Homcozy electric pizza oven indoor with glazed ceramic stone is a fantastic investment for anyone who loves pizza and wants to bring the pizzeria experience home. Its powerful heating, user-friendly controls, and thoughtful accessories make it a standout in the crowded pizza oven market. Whether you're hosting a pizza party or craving a quick weeknight pie, this oven delivers consistent, delicious results without breaking the bank. Don't settle for subpar homemade pizza. Elevate your cooking game with the Homcozy Pizza Oven today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.